Hey, hey, hey! Hey, Raw family, how is everyone doing? As promised, Mrs. O is posting on Wednesday our new day and time slot. All right, today I'm going to do something for the football season. You know, of course, the Dallas Cowboys won, but I'm not a big fan of the Dallas Cowboys. Even though I live in Dallas, I like the Pittsburgh Steelers myself. But anyway, hope you guys are having a great week and looking forward to the weekend. All right, we're going to do oxtail sliders. Yeah, might as well. We do oxtails for everything else. Stew, Texas in every way. Man, he got some bad oxtails though. But anyway, in the description box below, I will link the oxtail video to show you how to make the oxtails. I've made some and they freeze really well, you guys. So I just took them out the freezer, heated them up, and this is what I got. Okay, here I got I'm gonna say it's 3, it's 1 at the bottom. And all we're going to do is pull this wonderful meat off. They're super, super tender. You see that? This little thing I got a little weak here, but they're really tender. But I'll show you when I pull them off. All right? We have some tomatoes here. I'm always wrapping things in saran wrap. Okay, we have some tomatoes here. We have mild banana pepper rings. And we have some sliced, tamed jalapeno peppers, medium heat. And what we're going to do with the peppers and the banana peppers and tomato, we're going to chop it up and make it like a relish on top of the oxtail sliders. You know, where it gets that umami flavor. It's kind of hot, it's kind of sweet. And I forgot to show you our slider buns, which is the sweet Hawaiian. I didn't get the butter out, but you guys, you have to know, when you're making a burger or something with burger buns, you have to toast them. I mean, that little crunchiness around the edge is just really awesome. All right, but we need butter also. And we're going to dip them. Here is the au jus of the oxtails that I just strained. You can strain them twice if you like, to make sure all of your liquid is cool. But we're also going to use that to dip our oxtail sliders in. Okay, let me get the peppers, both peppers and the tomatoes chopped up. We'll come back and shred the oxtails. Then we'll toast these buns and put these babies together. Yay for your football season. Okay, I have 2 sliced tomatoes. I have maybe 1/4 cup of banana peppers and 1/4 cup of jalapeños. And all we're going to do is chop this up. And it's going to look like a relish. So we're going to get that heat and that kind of vinegary taste to cut the fat from the oxtails. And this cutting board is way too little. I got a big one, but I definitely don't want to pull that thing out. All right, let me finish cutting this up. But make sure it's all cut up, nicely, kind of like a relish. That will be one of your options to top your oxtail sliders. All right, let me finish it up. Then we'll come back and start pulling the oxtail. And also, I did get the butter out so we can toast these babies. Okay, do you see our relish? Oh my God, I tasted it and it tastes so good with the jalapenos, the banana peppers, and the tomatoes. Oh my Lord, it is so delicious. And for some reason, this has lightened up quite a bit, you guys. Let me see if I can kind of darken it. Probably gonna mess it up, huh? I might need to leave well enough alone. All right, let's get ready to pull our oxtails. So we're just gonna pull the meat off of them, and if we have to, we'll chop it up. But I mean pull all the meat, much meat as you can. Now, if it's a lot of fat on them, we can discard a lot of the fat. That one was kind of meaty. Not too bad. Okay, let's get this big one right here. Now see this one right here? Can you see that? I'm gonna pull that fat. I think that is just too fatty. Yeah. But look at all that meat. Look at that. All right, ooh. Yeah, this is a loaded one right here. Hot dog. Let's pull this off. It's a little fat there. It's a little too fatty, so I don't want that. All right. So I'm pulling the oxtails off. And again, how to make the oxtails will be in the description box below. I made it into a stew, but just follow the recipe as far as doing the oxtails, and you don't have to add any of the vegetables in it. Yeah, my color is off. I'm sorry, you guys. It was going great, and now it's just... Okay, let me bring it closer so you can see the meat. Okay, can you see the oxtail meat? And we're just going to chop that up. So next, I got the butter in the skillet. We're going to toast the buns and heat up the au jus. And when I come back, I will show you the final presentation and product of the oxtail sliders. That's a good bone right there, right? All right, you guys. I'll be right back, and hopefully I can do something with the lighting on my phone.